In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit, set deadlines for, and publish your SmartWork homework assignments. So I'm in my course now, not the lecture master, but my own course, and I'm going to go to assignments. And these are all the assignments that I've copied over from the lecture master, and I've already dealt with these three, so I will do this one just to kind of show you how this works. And so you're always going to get this little notice, load in a new window, so I'll push that. You want to definitely do this through Canvas in order to link it with your student set. So don't go into SmartWork and do this independently. Also, what happens is any changes I make here are unique to my course. They're not going to make changes in the template SmartWork course that we have. Okay, so here's my list of questions, and I'm going to go ahead and edit the assignment, and I'll probably end up calling it something else. Let's just for now, I think this is going to be homework number 4. And chapter 9. So I can call it whatever I want to, and that doesn't change the name in the master template course. So basically this is all mine now. I own this. And I'm going to set a deadline of, oh, I did this before, so it's already there. But this is how you do. You just click on the box, and the deadline, I'm having mine due every Thursday. And that's one of the reasons why I'm going to be wanting to delete and add things to these, is because I'm making them weekly homeworks instead of chapter homeworks. But you, of course, can do something different. Let's not check that box until we know better how SmartWork works and know what we want as a department. But go down and basically you see edit and delete buttons next to every question. If you click on the edit, that's if you want to make a specific change to the question. And what it will do is it will automatically make a new copy of that question that now belongs to you, and you can do whatever you want with it. This question, as it's titled, is going to still exist in the master question bank. So that's what happens if you edit. If you just click on the question, then it just shows you a preview. And then you can say, oh, I like that question, I don't like that question, etc. And so that's basically the long and short of it. I'm not going to do any editing or deleting right now in this video because I haven't taken the time to look through this assignment yet to know what I want to do. But basically, these lists of homework questions have been curated by a group of Chem task force people. And so you should have a pretty good list already. You really shouldn't need to edit a whole lot, if at all. The one thing that you may want to do is just delete if it's something that you're not going to emphasize in your class, or if it's something you don't want in this homework but want in another homework, etc. Another thing that you might want to do is to add questions. And so if you click this button, it will take you through various ways to add questions. You can search for a question title. You can filter by chapter, objectives, etc. All the things that you make copies of will end up under My Questions in Author. So I've already made a few copies of things. And so you can check that too. So I'm not going to do anything with that now. I'm going to go back. And then I'm going to say, all right, this homework looks okay after I've done all my changes. And I'm going to hit either save and wait to publish it later, or I'm going to hit publish. Once I publish it, both here and in Canvas, the students can see it. So I'll hit publish. Okay. And, if I decide, oh, I didn't actually want to publish that, I'm going to unpublish it, I can do that too. Okay, so that's how to do that. And we'll go back to our Canvas course. And make sure we save these settings first. Okay, so we'll go back to our Canvas course. The one annoying thing is you've got to do each thing in both places in order for students to see it. So here is my homework assignment. Oops. here's my homework assignment right here. What I do on the Canvas side of things is I will publish it if I want to publish, and I'll go to Edit to set the deadline. And so I'll use the same deadline as I did in SmartWork. And if I don't put a time down there, it comes up automatically as 11:59 p.m. So that's why all the deadlines are 11:59 p.m. So there you go. And so I can, like in SmartWork, I can unpublish or publish this. I'm actually going to unpublish it because I want to do more work with it. But that's basically how to do that. So the long and short of it is you must, in order for your students to interact with the homework, you must publish it in both places and you must set the deadlines in both places. However, you don't need to do all this for all of your assignments prior to the quarter beginning. You can do it kind of as you go. And I personally am going to be publishing them on Canvas first and then SmartWork second, in order so that at least the deadlines get on my students' calendars and they have the grade columns to work in their grade book, so that they know they're coming. But I'm going to wait to publish them in SmartWork until they're actually ready for the students.